Hello and welcome to eMerge. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to create a saved search inside of your eMerge account. Now, inside of your contacts, under your contacts tab and then the search and view all tab, you have this option for a keyword search. And a keyword search is if you're looking for something basic. For instance, you want to find out how many people inside your account have Gmail inside of their information. This just kind of looks for a lot of things, just a general look at the contact information overall to see if there's one particular thing in there. A saved search is a lot more comprehensive. So a saved search, the way that you create one of those is you grab this additional search button on the right hand side. Once you open it up, you're going to get this modal where you can start putting together your search using different filters. So let's go ahead and we're going to add a search filter in. So whenever we add in a search filter, we can look for a number of different things. We can look for something specifically in their contact details. We can look for something that's inside of their additional fields. We can look for a certain group that they're in or a list that they're in. We can look at emails that they've opened or have been sent or links that they've clicked on. Or if we have surveys, we can look and see if they have filled out a survey or a form that we have posted online. So the first thing that I'm going to look for is under their contact details. I'm going to look for mobile phone number and I'm going to look for a certain zip code. Alright, so in the mobile phone number, I'm looking for something that contains, or I could do does not contain, 504 area code. That's an area code that's around us, so maybe if I was looking for contacts to send out a listing to, for example, I could go ahead and put that together. Or if I were to do something like this, where I add in another field like that, change it to or. One of the other cool things too is as you're putting in different filters, we have these Boolean operators that you can use. So right now I'm going to look for something that contains 504 and also 985. So that gives me a total of 10 contacts. One of the things that you'll notice also is that there are two different areas where numbers are displayed. So there's this area up here on the right, and then there's your total contacts. The number up on the right displays all of the contacts that fit this specific criteria. That's why you can see that there's 4 contacts here, 6 contacts here, and then the total is 10. If I were to add in something else, so let's say that I'm looking for people who are also in the email list eMerge team, and then consumer touch, then it'll tell me the number of people who are in that particular list or those lists. And then this number at the bottom tells me out of all of these different criteria, once you put them together, what the total amount is. So I have 4 contacts that meet this criteria, 6 that meet this criteria, 7 that meet this criteria, but none of these contacts meet all of the criteria. So I'll just go ahead and I'm going to limit my search just down to these different area codes with the phone numbers. So once I've done that, I can go ahead and in order to save it, I need to put a name up here at the top. Name that. We'll create our search. And then it shows you all the people who fit that criteria. And then I can go under my contacts and then under saved searches. I'll have that saved search here. And I can just go in and I can edit the search if I want to change up the rules or the different filters that have created that search. Or I can just go in and view contacts and take a look at everyone who's in there. Next, what I can do is I can jump in and create an email, and then I can send an email specifically to this list just like I would with a regular list or a group inside of my eMerge account. So I can actually send that email to that saved search specifically, which is kind of cool. So that is how you put together a saved search inside of your eMerge account.